Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for GoPro enthusiasts, the Black Pro 60-in-1 Camera Accessories Kit. If you're looking to level up your GoPro Hero 9 experience, this might just be the perfect companion for you. This kit is designed with one goal in mind: to enhance your action camera setup for every adventure you embark on. Whether you're into skiing, cycling, or any high-speed sport, this kit promises to deliver the tools you need to capture those epic moments with ease. In terms of build quality, the materials used are durable yet lightweight, designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. The kit feels robust enough to handle various weather conditions and environments. One thing I appreciate is how easy it is to set up and use each accessory. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find these accessories intuitive and practical. To sum it up, the Black Pro 60-in-1 Camera Accessories Kit is hands down one of the best options out there for GoPro Hero 9 users. Whether you're looking to expand your filming capabilities or simply protect your investment, this kit covers all bases. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shooting!